All was going fine, but suddenly she decided to quit out of the Miss World competition. Yes, it was a hard decision, but she took it. She is Miss England, Milla Magee, with shining eyes, beautiful smile and amazing gesture. These days, this gorgeous and prestigious program is going on in India. She has alleged that the organizers of the program had harassed her. She said they were behaving like if I were a prostitute. 24 years Milla Magee, who is Miss England 2024, has decently said that she was quitting beauty pageants due to ethical reasons. This program is being organized in Hyderabad, Telengana. India has a big film industry, Bollywood. It is the reputation of this industry to exploit female artists if they want to make space for themselves. Some people say the same rule they wanted to apply in this competition. Milla Magee has said, "Morally, I couldn't be a part of it." She further said that all the competitors were asked under duress and pressure to wear makeup 24 hours daily and wear ball gowns all day. So much so that they were asked to entertain middle-aged men by saying thank you for their sponsorship of the show. She recalled that for each 6 middle-aged men group, they 2 girls were asked to sit and entertain them the whole of the evening. She recalled by saying that was so much, as she didn't come there for entertaining the people. She further said that Miss World has a value, but they found it stuck in the past. With pain, she said they made her feel like prostitute. She said she felt if they all were performing monkeys to please them. She recalled at one point she attempted to raise her voice on the table about the point, but all men thought her weird, and started small talks, ignored her voice. She said that after that event, she was termed as boring. She even criticized coach Julia Morley, who clapped near her face in a very humiliating way to make people listen to me. It was so disrespectful, she recalled. She said, though it was apparently a small incident, but it reflected their mindset that in what way they thought of them. After her quitting, she allowed Miss England runner-up 2024, Miss Charlotte Grant, 25 from Liverpool to take her place. On the other hand, Miss World Organization CEO Julia Morley has criticized Milla Magee. She said, "I think she was sure she would not win the competition, so she left in a very improper way." She further said that contestants did disrespect the host country, which welcomed with open arms. Julia Morley, in response to a question, said that Milla initially said that she had to leave as her mother is unwell. But later on, when she reached England, we came to know all her published article. Whatever the truth may be, this time, this pageant has come under controversy. It further raised questions about foreign women's safety in India. In the recent past, many foreign female tourists were disgraced, raped and sexually harassed. Finale will be held on May 31st. From the whole of the world, 108 beauty queens are participating. On the same day of final, Miss World 2024, Kristiana Pyskova will crown her successor.